Now that Vybz Kartel has returned from prison scene and I take it rode by storm. What you think this mean for dancehall and the other entertainers them in a dancehall?
A good thing, man. A good look. You see me? I just see others we just go and follow. You see me? Same way. And do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. The thing I go on, man.
So you think Kartel returning to dancehall is a good thing for Jamaica?
Yeah, man. They come and show them some music easy, man. I want two, man. Put two and one and three and he did it, you know? And them people know that. You know, we go hard. Easy.
You know anything, shot, so that I can even help other artists.
Yeah.
As an artist, same way. Cause from artist to artist, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go follow him same way. Like how everybody. Cause you know that a trending thing. People love follow.
Alright,
So
sir.
Gaza come, them a go big up Gaza and say Empire, Gaza forever. I don't know. But me, a Gaza, I say forever from Gaza, they are prisoner before I even reach. So
Yeah.
I fully Gaza, man. Never switch and never sell out, man. Fully bad. No, me a pen, Clarendon, one Clarendon. And I want Dust Bass this, though. And see there, one Jelly Queen. Big up.
Gaza to the world.
Vybz Kartel was always relevant, even behind bars. So he was still putting out hit songs and all of that, right?
Yeah.
For the, I'm going to call them students, because, you know, he's a teacher. So for the students that were doing whatever they're doing in dancehall, the teacher has returned. That's the only thing I can say about that. So I expect, and we're getting it already, great music from him. We've always been getting that, but we'll get the best version of him now, you know? And that's really what I'm looking forward to. I'm a Vybz Kartel fan, of course. So, yeah.